Meaning of decline and fall.
Decline and fall.
Decline and fall.
Decline and fall.
Decline and fall. Decline and fall is a phrase that describes the process of a gradual deterioration in the prosperity and power of a nation, society, or civilization, which eventually leads to its complete collapse and downfall. This decline can occur due to various factors, such as economic troubles, political corruption, social unrest, and military defeats. The term suggests that the fall is not sudden but rather a prolonged period of decline that ultimately leads to the downfall. The result can be devastating for the affected nation or society, leading to chaos, conflict, and sometimes even extinction.